As the say goes, the hunter used to narrate his own stories unless and until the land has his own storyteller. Today, I'm Protractor Kalishwaran, Professional Service Director, Rotaract Club of Coimbatore Uptown, is here to narrate my very own story on the topic called e-vehicle. Before entering into the topic, we have to know something about the vehicle. What all we know about the vehicle is just a transporting machine which is used for transporting the goods as well as the humans, such as lorries, cars, or car, etc. But we all don't know about where does this vehicle came from. Okay, before entering into the topic, we could just see what is the vehicle is about and where does it got its origin from. A vehicle came from the Latin word called vehiculum, is a machine that is used for the transportation or a means of conveyance or transport. In olden days, these vehicles was made by wood which was made of two wheels called chakram internal, which was being used by the humans to transport the minimum amount of goods by their own. In olden days, these vehicles is being replaced by the bullock carts as well as the chariots, which was being run by the horsepower. In later days, the diesel engines overcome these chariots as well as the bullock carts by means of using the diesel cycle, which was being used as the principle of these diesel cycle engines. These diesel cycle engines is being recently replaced by the internal combustion engine, which used petrol as their base material. That is, these are the vehicles models which we are using currently was being made by the IC engines. Okay, now we are going to enter into our topic called the e-vehicle. Okay, what is the difference between these e-vehicle and the normal combustion engine vehicles? These are the e-vehicles which has been invented and designed especially for eco-friendly as well as environmentally friendly. How does these e-vehicles will be performing? We'll be seeing in the upcoming lines. Okay, what do you mean by a battery-powered e-vehicle? E-vehicles are nothing but the electrical vehicles which consist of two or more electrical motors. Battery-powered electrical cars are the hydrogen fuel cell cars which is being made by the hydrogen fuel cell. Okay. Before entering into the e-vehicle directly, what about knowing about the e-vehicle, what we all know about the e-vehicle, we have to know something about e-vehicles origination and who was the first person to initiate and design the e-vehicle. Thomas Davenport, an American from Vermont, the first person to design a locomotive which was made up of two electrical magnets, a pivot and a battery. These are the electrical vehicles are mostly made of batteries, which we all don't know about. The first electrical vehicle which was invented by Thomas was in the year of 1834 to 1835. Okay, when does this electrical vehicle enter into India? The period of electrical vehicle entering into India was around 2000s, that is early 20th century. Though these electrical vehicles came into the early 2000s, in that particular period, IC combustion engine was very fluently running vehicles, and the batteries which was invented earlier was not having that much capacity to run for more kilometers. In the early 2008, Tesla rotor was being invented, but the first person to invent electrical vehicle and to introduce into India was Mahindra Electrical Mobility Limited, formerly known as the Reva Electrical Car Company in India. These car companies is being based in the place of Bangalore, Karnataka. They involved in the design and manufacturing of compact electrical vehicle. First electrical car which was invented and released was Revia electric car in the mid-March of 2011. The next comes the electrical hatchback E20 in the year of 2013. Passenger and cargo vehicle was invented called as e-Supra, the electrical commercial vehicle. What does these vehicles consist of and made of? The lithium ion battery powered with three wheelers was the one and only base which was used in the early days for making these electrical vehicles. What is the need of change from a normal combustion engine to electrical vehicle was the instant torque and smoother acceleration, as well as avoiding accidents which could be done by the means of using electrical brakes. That is, the braking capacity as well as the sudden brake will be applied by means of electrical sensors. And also these vehicles is being electrically charged by means of the braking capacity. Whenever the user holds a brake, the power will be automatically generated. Also, these vehicles has been electrically maintained and power generated by means of electrical banks which is being situated all over the world, all over the India also. ISRO also tested some solar power hybrid cars and modified designing is being invented, and they have implemented the car with 452 km in a single charge called Hyundai Corona Electrics. They are not necessarily competing technologies, but they are similar and complementary, which was said by Lawrence Darzel, and it is true as well as these electrical vehicles are giving more challenge nowadays. So let's hope for the future with an electrical vehicle. Thank you.